We're smoking him alive up there, dude.
Oh shit. Wrong thing.
That's a foot, dude.
Why do you have that, dude?
I don't know. I think I just picked it up.
Man.
Tell him to get his ass over here, dude.
Yeah, someone take
Watch him
Dom.
Be like, oh,
Hey, yo, stand by the fire.
ring of fire.
Oh my god, PJ, stop. The legs are
What?
freaking out, dude. You're all by yourself, dude. There you
You
go.
ready? I can barely see it, but yeah.
Are we turning around or where are we going?
I was gonna.
Yo, what's going on with Dom?
Wait.
Look, where's
Wait,
the body?
wait, wait.
Go back.
Wait, what happened?
Oh no!
Oh shit!
Oh,
Hey,
no.
can someone pick me up?
Um.
I stepped in the fire.
Alright, we're gonna have to. Alright, Moises, you and me here. You take the one you're used to. I'll take that one.
No.
I'll take that one. We gotta go get him. We gotta go get Dom.
Oh shit, dude! What happened?
Oh god, dude. Alright, we need to go forward.
So much shit is happening just because he went AFK, dude.
Can you get him? Can you get him?
Wait! Hey! Wait!
So put him next to the fire.
Position him right by the fire, so he
Oh,
doesn't
that's
die
a lot
anymore.
harder to. Wait, where'd he go?
Where'd he go?
Where'd he go?
He's below us. He's below us.
That's not good.
Why is he there? Wait, what happened to him?
He's just gone.
Shit. I mean, we've revived him, dude. Why'd he go down there?
I'm going down for him, boys.
He's. Oh shit!
Oh, what the fuck?
What happened?
He's below the ground. He fell through the map.
My bad.
Why'd the
I
boat
can't.
sink?
I don't
It
know.
hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Oh my god.
I
Dom's
can't-
just falling
can't
over and
breathe.
over, and I think he crashed into the boat.
Why'd the
Wait,
boat
he's
sink,
falling
dude?
again. There he goes.
Oh,
He's just falling through the world.
On,
Is he here?
on screen.
He's not-
Oh shit!
I can't breathe.
What happened to our boat, dude? Oh shit, dude. We gotta make it a short, dude, I guess.
Dude, the boat is fucked.
oh my god.
It's
I
bad.
think it's because of the fires we put there, dude.
It's just back,
Oh.
dude.
I blame Dom.
Oh my
Nah, I
god.
blame Dom.
Dude, every time
We gotta
Dom
get
comes
out of
back,
Yeah, I think we gotta move it.
We
We gotta
get
move
outta
it.
here. We gotta move.
dude, if Dom comes back, he's gonna tip us down
Someone
again.
grab it.
Oh my
going.
god.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh, he's falling again. Here he
Oh
goes.
god.
We just gotta make it a short.
Alright,
Don't leave
we're
me.
Oh my
Shit,
god.
dude. What is
Okay.
happening, bro?
Wait, where are you?
you're kind of
He's
just
falling.
falling through the world right now.
Yeah, yeah, dude. That's what it looks like.
So basically, you were freezing to death because it turned nighttime. So we tried building fires, but you weren't warming up. So we had to just keep reviving you, and then while you were down,
We moved the
We
boat.
tried to move the boat, and you just kind of stuck in midair. And so we moved the boat back, and then when we revived you, you just kind of started falling through the world.
And then our boat started fucking sinking, dude.
Every time
I'm
you'd
not
fall from the sky, you'd hit the boat and just make it sink to the bottom of the ocean.
Oh, bro, I wish I would have caught that, like,
Oh
video,
my god. Wait,
I'm fucking
I can